रुको 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 स्टार्ट।
Once upon a time, the king of the jungle, the lion, was fast asleep. The little mouse, while playing, rushed over him. Disturbed and fierce lion got the mouse and about to eat him. Then the mouse cried and said, "Give me, okay, give me this time and please let me go. I remember your mercy and someday help you." Ha ha ha, laughed the lion, but he allowed the mouse to go. Few days later, the lion got in a trap set by hunter. "Help, help," the lion roared. Hearing this, the mouse rushed and with the ropes on the net with his sharp teeth, and soon the lion was free. Grateful lion thanked the mouse and said, "Truly you have kept your words." Moral of the story is that one is no is too small or too weak to help another. Thank you. Dhanyavad.